The management of the University Hospital of the West Indies has come to the defense of its medical chief of staff, Dr. Carl Bruce, and has rubbished what it describes as defamatory and unsubstantiated allegations being made against him. The hospital was responding to a voice note being circulated on social media, allegedly of a former medical practitioner at the hospital, accusing Dr. Bruce of having ties to Medical Technologies, the company at the center of the controversial $31 million drill purchase for Bustamante Hospital. The UHWI says Dr. Bruce strongly denies the allegations and maintains that he is not the owner of Medical Technologies, nor has he ever held shares in the company. The UHWI argued that Professor Bruce is a highly respected medical professional whose qualifications, experience and contributions to healthcare in Jamaica are unquestionable, and so are his contributions to the wider region. The release said recent suggestions seeking to cast doubt on his credentials or imply that he holds positions that create a conflict of interest are both inaccurate and misleading.